Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. This is another fashion video for you. I'm gonna be showing you some lovely looks for spring so you can get inspired. But also, you know me, I love to talk about environment. Did you know that fashion industry is third largest industry polluting this planet and second polluting our waters? In this video, I also want to introduce you 4R's in fashion, such as reduce, reuse, repair or recreate, and recycle. Let's get started. Reduce. It's perfectly possible to achieve high fashion and look amazing with less. Build minimal wardrobe. Try to invest in basics, which is easy to style, and you can create timeless looks which last for very long time. In this look, as you can see, I changed 3 different t-shirts in very basic colors and very basic styles. This suit is also very timeless and it's white. White is gonna be there forever. Basics and essentials. This is a kind of a principle in fashion which saves money, time, space, and this planet. Reuse. This one sounds easy, right? We just don't buy new things and we keep wearing what we have, but it's more difficult. Me personally, I still want to go and time to time to buy something new. I'm sure you all do. First of all, when you shop, think quality over quantity. Really look at the materials you buy. Try to stay away from polyester, acrylic, latex, because that's all plastic and we don't want to wear plastic. Plastics are bad for the environment, bad for your skin. Try to invest in better material, 100% cotton, linen, cashmere, good jeans, and they will last for long. Secondly, try to look after your clothes properly. Look at the labels, how you should iron your clothes, what temperature you use when you wash them. That will all make a difference and your clothes will last long. Also, when you shop clothes, don't always look for brands because you can really get nice quality stuff somewhere else. For example, this bag and these shoes I'm wearing with this look, they are from Craftsman's when I was traveling. It's a very nice timeless style that I can wear it for long, and yeah, has no brand, but they are very beautiful and a great quality. So maybe try different way of shopping as well. Repair and recreate. That's something I want to get into more. When my buttons fall off, I can fix it, I can repair it. And also recreate. There's so many pieces I have, I don't like it that much. Even this jumpsuit, I wasn't wearing it often, but then I realized I can actually use different bells, different accessories, and I like it again and I'm wearing it again. So be creative, recreate your outfits, change the length maybe, mix it with all kinds of accessories, give your clothes life and love again. Recycle. This coat is from a vintage store and it's perfect. It would potentially end up somewhere in the landfill, polluting our seas and this planet, but it didn't because someone who used to own this coat put it into a charity shop or a vintage and now I can have it. So basically I'm recycling this piece. And you can do the same. If you have something you don't longer wear, please don't throw it away. Try to ask around, maybe someone else like it, or find a local charity shop, vintage store, or some kind of organization who works with people in need. And again, not all clothes can be recycled. Polyester? No, it's plastic. This cannot be recycled. Cat in the hat. Guys, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you got some inspiration from the 4 looks I showed you. And I also hope you got some more information about fast fashion and you can make a little difference every day when it comes to clothing, because I believe only us individuals can make a difference for this planet. And try to educate yourself. Me, myself, I am not perfect. I'm just actually going into this whole fast fashion problem and try to change more. And this is actually what I'm reading right now. It's a book about fast fashion and a future of clothing. So if you want to know more, there you go. You can find a lot of information on internet or in bookstores. And I'm also very happy and inspired to do more videos related to this issue. But please let me know in comments if you want to know more about this problem or what do you want me to style. Anything. I'm here in quarantine. Bored? No, I'm not bored because I have 2 kids, but I'm here for you. Have a lovely day. Bye. I didn't have this one on for a very long time. Oh, something is opening. How does this spell work?